Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a tip to other customers or future customers of a particular service or restaurant on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select the service to which you would like to add the tip. Click on it and then tap on this More button that can be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Add Tip in the middle, and then you will be able to type in your tip. Here you can see an example. Just get here early. The weekend crowd is mental after 7 p.m. So type in a tip similar to this one, and you can also attach a picture by tapping on this camera icon. You can either take a picture or select a photo from your gallery. And when you are done, click on the pause button in the upper right corner of the screen. You should confirm your email, and after that you will be able to post your tip to this service. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.